Today I'm going to show you how to do like a nudie kind of natural smoky eye look. I already did my eyebrows off camera because they're so time consuming. If you hear a baby in the background, that is my 2-month-old. She's over here in her swing talking to her lights that are spinning on the top of her swing. Alright, so let's go ahead and just jump on into the video. Today I'm going to be using my Morphe palette. It's, I'm not quite sure which one it is, but it's something Frost. I'm not sure. These are the colors. This one is a little broken up because my lovely 3-year-old dropped it on accident. Bless you. And this one's also messed up as well. But I'm going to be mostly sticking to these shades down here, and then some up, and then like 1 or 2 up here for a highlight. So let's get to it. So first I'm going to take a nude kind of color. So I'm going to use this color to start off as a blend to like do it as a base all over my eye. And then I just have a little mirror thing I'm gonna use. So I'm just gonna put this all over my eye. And it's going to be a base. And it will help the rest of the eyeshadows blend out as well. Okay, so now that I did that, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with, let me see, with not the darkest color, but like the lighter brown color, so this one, and I'm just going to go ahead and put that in my crease of my eye using this Morphe brush. It doesn't say the number on it, I just got it in like a little Morphe pack like this, like a year or 2 ago. I don't even know if it's still on the website. So I'm just gonna go in with this color. Now don't worry, I'm not gonna leave it looking like that. I will definitely blend that in a little bit more. I'm just gonna take this brush. I don't even know what kind of brush this is. I did an Ipsy subscription and this is one of the brushes that came in it. It's just a big fluffy brush. I'm still using that same color, this one. And I'm just gonna do this. And then the further away you are from the bristles, the easier it is going to be to kind of blend this all in. Okay, so this is gonna be a little weird and different how I'm going to do this, but I'm gonna go from my inner corner and work my way out. I'm gonna use this brush, okay? It's I don't even know what that says. Is it gonna focus? I know it says Vera Mona. And I'm going to take this color right there. I'm gonna take a little bit of this, which is just some rose water, and spritz it on my brush. Okay, and I'm just gonna take this and put this in the corner. So this is gonna be like a cheat way to do a smoky eye, kind of, without doing a bunch of different colors, I guess. So I'm gonna take this one and just apply it to like the middle of my eye. I'm gonna use a brush, if I can find one. I'm gonna use this pink brush. It's a Royal in London Nichols. I don't know. It's a medium eye shader brush. Probably can't read that. This is another brush I just got in an Ipsy bag. So I'm just gonna take this color, I think is what we decided on, and I'm just gonna tap that right here. I'm gonna go back in with this color and I'm gonna go into the crease again. But I'm gonna use this big fluffy brush and not put a whole bunch on there. I know we had the right intentions, but somehow it came to an end. I was looking for a remedy. So this one I went further over than I did on this one, so I'm just gonna take a little bit more and put it on here. So now that I took that color and I put a little bit more in my crease and I did the corner, I'm going to take this. It is Moodstruck's Precision Pencil. I believe, I don't know if you can see this, but it is in the color black, or perfect, as this would say. And I'm gonna take this and put it on my waterline and do it a little bit thicker out here, okay? And then I'm gonna smudge it. So you're gonna see what I'm gonna do with this. So just give me 1 second. Never know when you home. I get unstable, I get unstable. Okay, so now I'm going to take this brush, another random pink brush, I don't know who it's by, but it's just a little angle brush. And then I'm going to take this black right here and use it to smudge that out a little bit. With this one again, my Morphe brush, you know, small smudge brush, and let's try and see if it's just smudge out. Start a fight, there you go. I get unstable, I get unstable. I'm gonna dip into the black to get it up here more. So you see how this is like this? Don't worry about that. We will clean that up later. I'm just gonna keep on blending, not with that one. Now I'm gonna grab my big brush and cleanse out. I promise it's gonna look like I have a black eye, but I really, it will look better, okay? So now that I've done that, I'm going to go in with another, I think, I don't want it to be too dark. I think I'm gonna go in with this color right here and put it in the middle of my eye. I'm just gonna use the same brush I used for the corner of my eye. I'm also gonna do the same method, and I'm going to spritz it a little bit with some rose water. And then I just go like this. And we're just gonna put this right in the middle. That is all I'm gonna put in there. And then we're gonna let it dry. And I'm gonna go back in with this and do a little bit more blending. Okay, so now I got that. I'm just gonna go ahead and put a highlight on the top of my eye. I'm going to use this little brush again, and I'm just going to go in with the same color that I used in the corner of my eye and put it on the top of my eye, and it will help the rest of this blend in up to my eyebrow. And then I'm gonna go back in with my blending brush, and I'm gonna go ahead and blend that out up to my eyebrow. I'm not broken, I'm just split in two. I'm not broken, I'm just split in two. I'm not broken, I'm just split in two. The memory of you just come running back. Alright, so now that we did that, I'm gonna go in with, not this, I'm gonna go in with my Revlon Colorstay Sharp Line. It's a very pointy, I don't know if you can see that, I don't know if it'll focus on it, but it's very pointy, in the color black, and throw on some eyeliner over this and give myself a little bit of a wing. I'm gonna use my mirror.
I'm on the train headed back to Indiana. The rain is forming into rivers outside, writing down all the things that I miss, and in the letters you take for.
I think that looks pretty good. So now I'm gonna go ahead and clean some of this up with some of my e.l.f. What is this? e.l.f. 16 Hour Camo Concealer. This is in the color Light Sand. You're probably not gonna be able to see this. I don't think it's gonna focus. I'm just gonna go in and clean that up right here with that. And I'll be right back. Alrighty, you guys, so now that I went ahead and I cleaned this up so it's not so smudgy, and it's a little bit more, I'm gonna go ahead and put on my Younique's Mood Struck Epic 40 Mascara.
There's something in the air that I can't place, and now I see a silhouette in the dark. It's like time has stood still. I'm gonna hold you tighter this time around. Now feeling like I need to escape. The world outside only made me numb, 'cause I just wanna be here in our hometown, running free. It could be everything that we were chasing. I'm impatient just to see how you make everything fall into place. How you make everything fall into place. Ooh, yeah, you make everything. It's just like the saying, you don't know what you got till it's gone. But now I know in my hometown, running free, it could be everything that we were chasing. I'm impatient just to see how you make everything fall into place.
Alrighty, everybody, so this is the completed eye look. I hope that everybody likes it. I'm gonna go ahead and jump off camera and finish the rest of my face, and I'll be back in just a moment. So I went ahead off camera and completed the rest of my face. Well, actually, I just went ahead and I'm going to do that as a separate video. I'll be uploading that later on this week. So if you would like to watch that video, go ahead and hit the little ding button down below so you'll get notifications when I upload, and also hit that subscribe button. If you liked my video, please give it a thumbs up. Please leave a comment down below. Let me know how you're doing, how you're holding up in this quarantine. Everybody needs to do a little mental health check sometimes. I know I'm going a little nuts with 2 kids running around in my house constantly. Well, technically I have 1 kid running around my house constantly. She is 3, and then I have a little 2-month-old. She's obviously not running around the house. But thank you so much for watching. I hope everybody has a great Easter and happy quarantine. Thanks for watching. Bye.